पतंजलि योगा सूत्रा चतुर्थोऽध्यायः कैवल्यपाद ऑन लिबरेशन जन्म औषधि मंत्रतः समाधिजा सिद्धयः. The attainments brought about by integration may also arise at birth, through the use of herbs, from intonations, or through austerity. जात्यंतर परिणामः प्रकृत्या पुरात्. Being delivered into a new form comes about when natural forces overflow. निमित्तं प्रयोजकं प्रकृतिना वरणभेदस्तु तथा क्षेत्रिकवत्. The transformation into this form, or that is not driven by the causes proximate to it, just oriented by them, the way a farmer diverts a stream for irrigation. Nirman chittanya smita matrat. Feeling like a self is the frame that orients consciousness toward individuation. Pravritti bhede prayojakan chitmekam nekesham. A succession of consciousnesses, generating a vast array of distinctive perceptions, appear to consolidate into one individual consciousness. Tatra dhyan jamnashyam. Once consciousness is fixed in meditative absorption, it no longer contributes to the store of latent impressions. Karma shukla Krishna, yoginastri-vidmitresham. The actions of a realized yogi transcend good and evil, whereas the actions of others may be good or evil or both. Tatastadvipakanuguna meva bhivyaktirvasnanam. Each action comes to fruition by coloring latent impressions according to its quality good, evil, or both. Jati desh kalve vahitanam apyanantarya smriti sanskaryore krupatvat. Because the depth memory and its latent impressions are of a piece, their dynamic of cause and effect flows uninterruptedly across the demarcations of birth, place, and time. Tasam naditvam chashisho nityatvat. They have always existed, because the will to exist is eternal. Hetu flashrayalambneha sangrihitatvadesham bhave tadbhava. Since its cause, effect, basis, and object are inseparable, a latent impression disappears when they do. Atita nagtan swaruptos tedha bhedad dharmanam. The past and future are immanent in an object, existing as different sectors in the same flow of experiential substances. Te vyakt sukshma gunatmanaha. The characteristics of these sectors, whether manifest or subtle, are imparted by the fundamental qualities of nature. Parinamekatvad vastu tattvam. Their transformations tend to blur together, imbuing each new object with a quality of substantiality. Vastu same chit bhedatiyor vibhaktah panthaha. People perceive the same object differently, as each person's perception follows a separate path from another's. Na chakchit tantran vastu tad pramanakar tadakin syat. But the object is not dependent on either of those perceptions. If it were, what would happen to it when nobody was looking? Tadu praga pekshitva chittase vastu gyata gyatam. An object is only known by a consciousness it has colored, otherwise, it is not known. Sada gyataschit vrittestat prabho purushasya prinamitvat. Patterns of consciousness are always known by pure awareness, their ultimate, unchanging witness. Na tatsva bhasan drishyatvat. Consciousness is seen not by its own light, but by awareness. Ek samay chobhyan dharnam. Furthermore, consciousness and its object cannot be perceived at once. Chittantar drishe buddhi buddhirti prasanga smriti sankrashch. If consciousness were perceived by itself instead of awareness, the chain of such perceptions would regress infinitely, imploding memory. चितेर प्रति संक्रमायास्तदाकारा पत्तो स्वबुद्धि संवेदन. Once it is stilled, though, consciousness mirrors unchanging pure awareness and can reflect itself being perceived. Drashtridrishyopar chittam sarvartham. Then, consciousness can be colored by both pure awareness and the phenomenal world, thereby fulfilling all its purposes. Tad sankhe vasnabhishchitrampi pararthan samhatyakaritvat. Even when colored by countless latent traits, consciousness, like all compound phenomena, has another purpose to serve awareness. Vishesh darshan atma bhav bhavna vinivrittiha. As soon as one can distinguish between consciousness and awareness, the ongoing construction of the self ceases. Tada viveknimnan kaivalya prag bharan chittam. Consciousness, now oriented to this distinction, can gravitate toward freedom, the fully integrated knowledge that pure awareness is independent from nature. Tachidreshu pratyayantarani sanskarebhya. Any gaps in discriminating awareness allow distracting thoughts to emerge from the store of latent impressions. Hanmesha kleshvaduktam. These distractions can be subdued, as the causes of suffering were, by tracing them back to their origin, or through meditative absorption. Prasankhyane pekusidase sarvatha vivekakhyate dharm megha samadhiya. One who regards even the most exalted states disinterestedly, discriminating continuously between pure awareness and the phenomenal world, enters the final stage of integration, in which nature is seen to be a cloud of irreducible experiential substances. Tatah klesh karma nivrittiha. This realization extinguishes both the causes of suffering and the cycle of cause and effect. Tada sarvavranmalapetase jnanasyanantyajge malpam. Once all the layers and imperfections concealing truth have been washed away, insight is boundless, with little left to know. Tatah kritarthana parinam kram smaptir gunanam. Then the seamless flow of reality, its transformations colored by the fundamental qualities, begins to break down, fulfilling the true mission of consciousness. Kshan Pratiyogi Parinama Prant Nirgrahya Krama. One can see that the flow is actually a series of discrete events, each corresponding to the merest instant of time, in which one form becomes another. Purusharth Shunyana Gunana Prati Prasvah Kaivalya Swarup Pratishtha Vachiti Shakti Riti. Freedom is at hand when the fundamental qualities of nature, each of their transformations witnessed at the moment of its inception, are recognized as irrelevant to pure awareness. It stands alone, grounded in its very nature, the power of pure seeing. Yoga Skill Academy. No yoga, skill, no life.